So in this video, I'm going to be doing some small / mini twists in my hair, and this has definitely got to be one of the most favorite hairstyles of mine. Like, this is my first time actually doing them this small, and I basically took each strand of hair out of the pack and I just divided it in half. So like it already comes pre-separated, so each strand that I took out, I just divided that in half. So I only used about 2 packs of hair. Now, as far as how long it took to do this hairstyle, I'm gonna let you guys guess down in the comment section because this took me quite some time to do. So guess down in the comment section and I'll make sure to reply and tell you actually how long it took me to do this hairstyle. So basically what I'm gonna do is braid the base, and then I'm gonna braid it down about, I guess, what, 3 or 4 times, and then I'm just gonna begin to twist it from there. So this is a very easy hairstyle. Like, as long as you know how to plait, is really easy, and it blends really good with my short 4C hair. So I really enjoyed doing this hairstyle, and it looked so good. I got so many comments. Like, I felt like when I was done, I literally felt like this was my hair. Like, it looked really good. But anyways, I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. It's pretty self-explanatory, and if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.